Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just John McKinn here again, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of some really popular lights that are, kind of having a high appraisal on YouTube. So these are the Newerr LED photography lights. Now this is the LED NL660 version. Again, this can be used for more things beyond YouTube, but this is just a really good pair of lights that I've seen on the rise and people have been recommending. So just to go over some of the product specs that it is showing is that, yeah, this is the NL660 model, which basically it has 660 LED lights in here. It's rocking, LED number 660, self-explanatory. Maximum illuminance, it's at 3300. Again, it's just about that sharpness effect that it's putting out. Then we have a bicolor temperature between 3200 and 5600. So it's actually pretty decent. You can get those different colors, get sharpness for your shots. And also it's rocking a maximum power of 40 watts. Here we are, here's the box. Let's get in. Actually, I should have brought my scissors. All right, don't put scissors like that. All right, let's go. So I'm going in the box. I don't have an overhead camera just yet, so I'm gonna do my best to show you guys what's going on. So, let's go. So being boxes, you don't. So this is what the inside is looking like. Pretty good packaging by Newerr. It feels like just fabric. It doesn't even feel heavy. So yeah, that's what's in the box. This is a case, so it comes in a nice Newerr case. It's actually a very light light. it feels like, honestly, like you're holding up like a couple, not even a couple of books, like, I don't know, comic books, something like that. It's not even that heavy. But that was all that's in the box. Yeah. Kobe. So going into the Newerr packaging, it's pretty much, just in that box in this nice cool package, and I'm assuming these are reusable. Yeah, it's gonna be reusable, so if you do need to transport your lights, you can transport it with this. It's pretty standard bag packaging, nice branding by Newerr right there. You can carry it like a briefcase. Let's open it. Got these right here. Should probably open it fast. You got the strap right here that you have to take loose. This is what the light is looking like, and honestly, seeing it in person, it is much smaller. But before we actually get into the light, we got some cool packaging here, just in case you want some non-abrasive things thrown there to carry with your light. Seems like we have a manual by Newerr. I should probably read that. And then we have customer service. Okay, so here is the actual light. It's not that big. They're way smaller than I thought they were gonna be. Like, I have a pretty big head, but you compare it to the size of my head, yeah, these lights are very small, smaller than I thought they were gonna be. Yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. So yeah, on the back right here, you have your different volume controls, such as you can control just between your yellow, your white light, dimmering and whatnot. I believe these are battery packs in the back, and it seems like an off and on switch. Pretty simple, pretty easy to use. And in the front, it seems like there's a case on it protecting it. We'll get to everything else in the box. It's well protected. You have just your connector cable. To the connector cable, your battery, your power supply. That's pretty much just all that's in here. If you want to travel around with this, I would actually keep this, because this is just a nice little cushion to add to your light, and it has like little compartments. So I'm actually gonna keep this. Yeah, that's the Newerr light. It's honestly not much. It's really not much. And to show what actually all came with this light, I got the kit off of Amazon, and this did come with 2 Newerr lights. This is just the light part. They were also packaged with the light stands. So I got 2 light stands. Yeah, let's take this off. And honestly, I never unboxed a light before. So I'm very curious on how you take this off. Oh, you know what? I don't think this is the case. There we go. Yeah, I don't know the exact link off the top of my head for what this is, but yeah, basically it's the side flaps that kind of help project the light. Yeah, access protection. It's really cool. See all the cool lights? Very, very cool. Everything here, and yeah, we get these. Man, this is like the hardest part of the unboxing. The hardest part is right here. The power pretty much connects right here in the back. So my light right now is not the best because I have an overhead light and a lamp on me right now. And we're gonna test again, just like the comparison to see how well can this Newerr light just make my lighting way better. You just plug it to the back on this part. So if I just do this, make sure it works. Whoa, look at that. Man, that's bright. Ha, like a shoot. And I think colors here. It has a yellow. God. This light gets very, very bright. But I'm just playing with it. I'm probably gonna. That's the light. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one unboxed and set this to the side over here. Stands. So getting right into the stands. Yeah, it's just a regular stand and it screws on. Yeah, let's just go ahead and build it. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. The base comes out kind of like that. Then we're gonna twist these, get these up. Yo, this gets high. Sheesh. I don't even think I need the light that high. About here is a good size. It can project up, but not down, so more so like not too good down based off of this mechanism being right here. It is just like there. Like I think like you can project down, but it's gonna close up. Like if you're supposed to even do that. But yeah, it can project down a little bit. But this is a little bit too high because I don't want it to project down. I just want it to be like straight out. So we put it down a little bit more. And light number 1 done. These are the lights fully maxed out. So I have my key light right here, then my side light going over here. And honestly, I'm against the wall, so this is a little bit more difficult to put in the backlight in this type of scenario. But I can do some creative shots where I'm pulling in a backlight, probably to fill some shadows from this side. I can do some pretty creative scenarios where I can fill in some backlight. But yeah, these are what the lights are currently doing. And just to show you the progression from being fully dark to turning on the key light to turning on the side light, I'm actually going to go into that now. Pretty much all the main light in the room is out, and I'm going to turn on the key light. This is me sitting in front of you talking in the key light right in front. So here we are, and honestly between these two lights, I feel like I'm in a completely dark room. These two lights are giving off just so much light. I feel like I really don't need anything else. It's projecting light very, very good. Here's a front profile, a side profile of me turning towards my other light at a 45-degree angle, me turning against a wall where no light is being projected. Things are on 25, and this is comfortable. Honestly, I can probably talk in the camera for hours at this setting. So these are the lights with this setting at 50%, doing more of a job. So it's very much capable of doing that. It isn't hurting my eyes yet. I'm still very comfortable, just staring straight forward. I can't see my phone, but I'm still comfortable with the lights at this setting. These are the lights at 75%. They are much more brighter. And I feel like I'm in like a football stadium. Starting to become a little bit sensitive on my eyes. This is the area that's covering. Yeah, 75%. We're back at 100%. Hopefully you don't gotta stare into this type of light more than an hour, cause you're gonna feel it. But yeah guys, thank you for watching this unboxing. It's one of my first unboxings on this channel. As of right now, I'm very impressed. I don't feel hot. I know sometimes that can be the case for some people. My only concern, like, this light is totally fine. It's this one. It's really the main light. You may want to turn down the brightness just a little bit. because yeah, it's just so freaking hard to see. And this is the advantage of getting LED lights instead of regular lights. You know, to control that level of brightness, you're gonna have to switch out those lipos, whereas LED, you just turn a knob and it can adjust it for you. All right, well, thank you guys for watching this video. The link for this is gonna be in the description below. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Please let me know, comment, like, are these lights impressing you or not? These are the Newerr Lights, and I like them so far. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.